Okay, now I'm going to explain the AND functions. And AND function is a logical function, how we can solve the problem with the depend on the multiple conditions. Okay, so let's get into the video. Start. Okay, now I'm going to explain the AND functions. So we'll see the definition of AND functions. The AND function is in Excel is a logical functions that tests multiple conditions and return the true or false values depending on whether they are met or not the conditions. So multiple conditions depend on the multiple conditions, it will give the result. Okay, so how it will work, the logical functions and function, we'll see. I have the three formulas with the different kind of multiple conditions I have. So we'll test it one by one. First we'll select the formula 1. Here it is showing the what is the conditions. Returns the true if A2 contains the bananas and B2 is greater than C2, otherwise false. Okay, so we'll apply the conditions is equal and press the tab button. Okay, it is asking the logical functions. Okay, what is the logical function first? If A2 contains bananas, A2, A column is equal to, whenever you are using that alphabetics, it should be in the inverted commas. Bananas, comma. What is the second logical? It is asking when you press the comma, it first logic to second logic, it will shift it. Okay, what is the second logic? B2 is greater than C2. B2 greater than C2. Close the bracket, enter. So comes down, control shift up, control down. So here it is showing the first condition. What is the first conditions? A3 equal to bananas, B3 greater than C3. So that is the reason it is showing the false. If it is become 75, so it becomes true. Okay, or else if you change to bananas to orange, it will become the false. Okay, so we'll go to the second formula. I have the second formula conditions, two different kind of condition, multiple conditions. Okay, we'll test one by one. Is equal to and press the tab button. What is this? Returns true if B2 is greater than 20 and B2 is equal to C2. Okay, so B2 greater than 20, right? 20. So for a numerical, it's not required inverted commas. When you press the comma, it will shift it to second logic. Okay, comma, B2 is equal to C2. So B2 equal to C2. So second logic, close the bracket, enter. See, it is showing the true. Here the first row, B column is greater than 20 and second is that B column and C column is equal, so that is the reason it is showing true. But if you make it 75, this is also, it will become the true. Okay, this is how AND function will work, depending on the multiple conditions. We'll go to third formula. What is the conditions? Return true if A2 contains bananas, B2 is greater than or equal to 30 and B2 is greater than C2. So we'll test one by one. AND function, press the tab button. A2 equal to bananas. I told you, no? Whenever alphabetically it should be in the inverted commas. Bananas, comma. What is the second logic? B2 is greater than or equal to 30. So go to the select the B2 greater than equal to 30, comma, B2 is greater than C2. Again, B2 greater than C2. See, here everything is false. Why? Because what is the conditions? B2 is equal to greater than or equal to 30. So we have the only third row and only third row I have. Okay. And what is the third conditions? B2 is greater than C2. So it is both are equal. So it will never, it is not the true. That is the reason it is showing the false. So if I make it 80 and if I apply the bananas, then it will become the true. Okay, so here this is how we can test the formulas. Okay, thanks for watching.